And we're back with our last page, page 466. So if you have not gotten enough of Schoology and sent it to Notability, do that. And on this one, we're going to be talking about trapezoids. I love trapezoids. So we talked about trapezoids in class. And, for a lot of these shapes, it's always kind of fun to think of different ways to remember, what they are. And I told you in class that when I was growing up, one of my favorite movies, cartoons, was Ghostbusters. And I still love the Ghostbusters. I love that. I love that whole kind of franchise of, I had a couple toys when I was growing up, but I more kind of pretended with my brothers. But I a little bit probably too much there, but I love the Ghostbusters. But I always thought a trapezoid kind of looked like a Ghostbuster trap. So that's one way I always remembered a trapezoid is because it looked like a Ghostbuster trap. Trapezoids, basically, they're a really special quadrilateral because they have just one pair of parallel lines. So this one, it's the top and the bottom. The other pair is not parallel. Like those two, look, they run into each other. So that's not parallel. Let's take a look at this shape. Now, when I look at the top and the bottom, top, bottom, oh boy, those are going to run into each other. Watch. I'll even show you. Yep, does not work. But on this one, it's the left side and the right side of the one pair. And then we're going to take a look at the last one. The left side and the right side. Yep, they run into each other. Let's take a look at the top and the bottom, though. One pair of parallel lines. So, the first question is, write what you know about opposite sides of a trapezoid. Well, I can write, they are parallel. You can say they are parallel lines. That's the special thing about a trapezoid, is that they have one pair of parallel lines. And down below, reading these directions, circle the quadrilaterals that are trapezoids. One thing is, they have to have just one pair of parallel lines. And if they don't, that's not a trapezoid. One pair of parallel lines. So I'll just do an example here. So if I look at W, let's see. I'm going to test it out. No, those will touch because that doesn't work. Okay, I bet the top and the bottom do though. I'm going to scoot this over a bit. No, that is not a trapezoid. Or that is not a trapezoid. Does not work. So I'm actually going to cross this one off. Does not work. Let's try X though. Okay, well, now I'm going to try a different one actually. I'm going to try Y. Ooh, Y looks like a trapezoid. Look at top. Yes, that's parallel. Let's try the other side. Parallel. Oh, wait a minute. Trapezoids have just one set or one pair of parallel lines. And the one has two. I could cross that one off then too. But you have to figure out the other two. Then question number 15 is, explain why the figures you did not circle are not trapezoids. So I already kind of give you some examples here. Why are W and Y not trapezoids? So you're going to fill out that one. And then your last question, draw a quadrilateral and describe it. Well, I'm going to draw my favorite, a Ghostbuster trapezoid. To describe it, just all you have to do is draw it. You can name it and just kind of explain some of its characteristics. 4 sides, 4 vertices, 4 angles, 1 pair of parallel lines. Can even add in, like there's an angle, vertice, side. So that's your page. When you're done with page 466, submit it to Schoology. Have fun, everybody.